Welcome to the Lambert's Bay Bird Island Nature Reserve and its amazing Cape Gannet colony. Located on the arid west coast of South Africa, a 3-hour drive from Cape Town. Lambert's Bay is a small fishing town in the Western Cape, known for its miles of pristine beaches, moderate climate and amazing seafood. But its most famous attraction is Bird Island, with its more than 8,000 strong Cape Gannet colony. The island lies northwest of the town, 100 meters offshore, with ample free parking close by and access by the harbour. After paying a small entrance fee, you access the island by a short walk along the breakwater harbour wall. Bird Island is a 3-hectare site, and between 1888 and 1990, highly prized bird guano, aka bird poo, was collected on the island for fertilizer. In 1988, it was officially established as Lambert's Bay Penguin Island Provincial Nature Reserve. The gannets weren't the original attraction here. It was originally called Penguin Island Nature Reserve, and in fact that's still the official name. Penguins used to breed in their hundreds here, but eventually left due to egg collecting and predation by fur seals. Other birds that breed on the island in good numbers are gulls and cormorants. To view the colony, you have a few options available to you. You can either stand outside on the path in the open area to the right of the hide, where you can get amazing ground level views. This spot is brilliant for filming and photography when the wind isn't howling. Or you can enter the hide and again view at ground level through the glass windows, or alternatively go up to the first floor enclosed area and view from above. But note the area on the first floor outside the hide was off limits to us on the day and was only available to staff. Bird Island is one of only 6 islands where Cape Gannets breed worldwide, and is by far the most accessible, as it's walkable, where all the others are only accessible by boat. The breeding range of Cape Gannet is restricted to Southern Africa, on 3 islands of Namibia and 3 of South Africa. About 12 years ago there were about 19,000 gannets breeding on the island, but from 2005 to 2006 numbers dropped significantly. Plaster of Paris decoys were used to lure the birds back, and it worked. However, the number of Cape Gannets on the Namibian islands have declined considerably between 1956 and 2000, from 115,000 to just 18,000, an 84% decrease in less than 50 years. This contrasts with trends on the South African islands though, where the numbers have increased at 4.3 times during the same period, from 34,000 to 148,000 breeding pairs. The Cape Gannet are identified from the similar looking Australasian gannet by the all-black tail and the longer black stripe down the throat from underneath the beak. When diving, gannets can hit the water at speeds of 120 km an hour, so have no external nostrils into which water can be forced. Breeding starts around August-September and can last until the following April. Males and females stay together over several breeding seasons. Egg laying starts around October, where the female lays a single bluish egg. Both male and females help incubate the eggs. At 46 days, chicks start hatching and are all black. Chicks are fed by both adults and start fledging at 97 days old. The island is abandoned for only about 3 weeks of the year. As soon as the chicks fledge and leave, so do the adults. After undergoing extensive development, which was unveiled in early 2015, Bird Island now features a visitor center and a bone exhibition in the aptly named Bone Box building, with skeletal displays of Cape fur seal, dusky dolphin, Cape gannet, and uniquely boasts the only Cuvier's beaked whale skeleton display in South Africa.